We want to make x the subject of the following equations. We have 3x is equal to 2x plus a. Here, let's remove 2x from both sides. 3x take away 2x is x. If we remove 2x from this side, we just get a. We now have px is equal to qx plus r. Let's subtract qx from both sides. On the left we'll get px take away qx, and if we subtract qx from the right, we just get left with the r. We have a common factor of x. Take out the common factor and open a bracket. Inside the bracket we'll have p minus q. X times p is px, x times minus q minus qx. This is equal to r. Divide both sides by the bracket, and we get x is equal to r over p minus q. Note here, we don't actually need the brackets underneath. We could write this as r over p minus q without the bracket. We have ax plus c equals d minus bx. Let's add bx to both sides. On the left we'll have the ax plus c plus a bx. If we add bx to the right, we just get left with the d. Now subtract c from both sides. We have ax plus bx on the left, and subtracting c from the right gives d minus c. On the left we have a common factor of x. Take out the x and open a bracket. Into the bracket goes a plus b. We have d minus c on the right. Divide both sides by the bracket, and we have x is equal to d minus c over a plus b. It's okay to leave it here, but often I write brackets just to make it clear. We now have ax plus c is equal to bx plus d. Subtracting bx from both sides gives ax plus c take away bx is equal to d. Now subtract c from both sides. We have ax minus bx is equal to d take away c. We have a common factor of x here. We have x, open bracket, a minus b is equal to d minus c. Note with the bracket, x times a is ax, x times minus b is minus bx. Now divide both sides by the bracket, and we get d minus c over a minus b. This is okay without the brackets, but I often put brackets in just to make things clear.